This isn't gonna work. I got too much stuff. Let's see. It's the box my welder came in. I was a little concerned for a moment. This little GoPro session is handy, but battery dies quick. Cleaned it up a little bit. XM, huh? Not bad. What's this? Food for thought. Hey, it seems like these things got a pretty good stock stereo. Wonder how much that will keep. Probably not much. thing's a lot bigger than my van, obviously. I need to get some bigger jack stands because my 3-ton guys just aren't tall enough. I don't really feel like doing cribbing. You know, like this thing's gonna spend some time off the ground during this build, and I'd really just rather have something solid. So that and a tarp. I got these guys sticking straight up in the air and I don't want them. I don't need something that big, so I guess I'm gonna end up cutting those off. I can't get the stupid things to come apart, so I don't feel like dealing with them, and this thing was free and I don't really care. I'm gonna cut them off. So that looks gross. Okay, so obviously got a lot of work to do. This place is a mess. It got away from me in the wintertime when I was doing a bunch of woodworking projects. And I just kind of let it go. And I got so much stuff that it's been really difficult to try and figure out where to put everything. So I started cleaning out these shelves. And I've pulled everything out, and I got a whole bunch of tools to stash around, and Tundra parts, and stuff we're trying to just sell and get rid of, but major clean out going on, trying to make room for this project. It's been really challenging. I definitely did not consider this being such an issue, just finding room to do this, and like I keep saying this, but I feel like I'm boring you guys, you know, just going on, and we'll try and compress this all down into one video, obviously, but there's a lot more work going into this. So if you guys are just thinking about doing something like this, keep that in mind. I know a lot of people have just done it in their driveway, but I don't have that option here. I have so much room, I figured I'd be able to just pull it off, but it's been a challenge. So, okay, this is all happening in stages, by the way. I mean, the other aspect of this is Dad's home with the kids today, or I got 2 of them at least. So, you know, I set up these time lapses, and you guys just see go, go, go. I don't know if you can notice the way the shadows change or the lighting, but I'm having to disappear, go make lunch, do nap times, or whatever, find out why someone's crying, you know, and keep an eye on everybody and get stuff done out here. So that's what's going on. All right. I am definitely starting to feel like the prep work never ends.
Right here, filming me.
I need you to hold the camera while I get up there. Don't you spray me. Dad. If you're spraying me, you get to pay for me. You get to pay for that. Okay. Inside. I'm showing them inside of.
All right, so yet again, another novice mistake with this filming stuff. As you can see, we've made some changes. Moving sideways, I got the tarp up. Let's check it out. Ho, 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 ho. Wind's blowing in on me a little bit, but hey, not too bad. I got some space in here. Pretty excited about this. Look at all this room in here. Just have, ooh, this selfie stick I got. One of the cheaper ones. Pretty cool. Not too bad. So the truck will still have to come in this way. I'll pull it in a little bit. I'll only be able to get maybe the cab under here, but who cares, you know? That's all I need to protect. So I'm pretty excited about this. This is not too bad. I filmed cutting those things down and everything, and then of course I ended up putting one back up, and I lost all the footage anyway. I have no idea where it went. So filming is hard. Filming is not easy. To get this all broken down, and then one other thing I'd like to throw out on this video. I didn't want to mess around with any of this no copyright music on YouTube, so I just made my own songs. So enjoy my cheesy background music until I either decide to pay for a subscription or not, because probably only like 2 people are ever going to watch this anyway. So enjoy my music, those 2 people. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you guys. Not too bad. Pretty excited. Got some space. I think I've got my space issues figured out, so let's get it done.